Melanie Edward, and I am going to be becoming the magic mirror. If you don't remember, the magic mirror is from Sleeping Beauty. And the first thing I do is concealer for under the eyes, and then a foundation. And I find that if I put it on with a brush, it blends and goes on much easier. The foundation is a little more neutral or slightly tanned colored, whereas some of the other characters will have more of a lighter color foundation. And then I go to the blush, so when you smile, it's easier to see the cheeks where they are. And for the magic mirror, the makeup, the eyeshadows are a lot of silver. So I've got some very fun palettes of different colors. Since most of the magic mirror's costume is silver, and I take it almost all the way up to the eyebrow, and then at the very top, a really sparkly silver that goes down all the way to the corner of the eye, all the way up under the brow, and out to the side. And then under the eye, I like to put a little white eyeliner that you can also see shows up very well on stage. And then you have brushes that you can blend it all in, and an eyebrow pencil to define the eyebrows a little bit so they show up better on stage. Darken in the eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil. We use a setting powder to set everything. And then we get to the eyelashes. Now, a little trick on the eyelashes, because they come so long, is to cut them just a little bit shorter. So cut a little off the edges. And I also have my trusty little stick that kind of holds it down. And a fan to help dry. And the false eyelashes give you the definition of really long lashes when you're on stage. And with the eyelashes, it does take a lot of patience. Sometimes one goes on easier than the other. Sometimes you put one on and then it comes back off. So you learn to be patient with your eyelashes. They eventually will stick. And the magic mirror is a female character, so we want a little sparkly lipstick. And you can put eyeliner on top of the eyelashes as well to get a little more definition. But with the magic mirror character, one of the fun things is the more glitter you put on, the more sparkly you are on stage. And because the headpiece for the magic mirror is so sparkly, you want your face as sparkly as possible too. And you can even have a little sparkly beauty spot. And put little sparkles in the corners of your eyes. And this is a little glue to help keep the glitter on. And just like the magic mirror, the glitter magically sticks. And last step is to put a little glitter under the eyebrow. Because the more glitter, the better. The magic mirror is one of my favorite characters to play because you get to play with all this glitter, and when you're out on the patio with the kids afterwards, they just love all the glitter. So you could just put it anywhere. Doesn't matter. The more glitter, the better. And this is the magic mirror headpiece. And it's designed to sit right on the back of your neck, so it's very comfortable. And it comes with a little battery pack that when you turn it on, it lights up. So when you're on stage and it's dark, you have these wonderful lights all around. And this is the magic mirror costume. Okay, everyone, it's time to make magic with the magic mirror. Follow me.
In your frame, let me know this beauty's Oh, I've got it. Name.
Her heart is pure, her eyes are bright, her hair is black, and her name's Snow White.
Oh, the princess? The one I make do all the chores? How can she have the time to be beautiful?